stop. Before you tap that link, I need 30 seconds of your time. Because that message right there is not from your bank. It's not from anyone who wants to help you. It's called phishing. And by the end of this video, you will never fall for it again. Never. I'm Bright Ono, and this is MasterOneSkill. One skill, new life. Today, we are talking about the oldest trick in the cybercrime playbook. One that still works on millions of people every single day. Not because they are careless, but because it's designed to fool anyone. Let's break things down. Phishing is when a criminal disguises themselves as someone you trust. For example, your bank, your employer, your telecom operator, a delivery company, or even a friend, to trick you into giving up something valuable, like your password, your BVN, your one-time PIN, your card details. Think of it like this. A real fisherman doesn't chase the fish. He drops the bait that looks exactly like their food and wait for the bite. Scammers do the same thing. The bait isn't a worm. It's a message that looks urgent, official, and just believable enough to make you click without thinking. Here is what it actually looks like. An SMS. Dear customer, your account will be blocked in 24 hours. Click to update your BVN. An email that looks exactly like it's from your bank. The same logo, the same colors, asking you to confirm your login details. A WhatsApp message from a friend's number saying, I'm stranded. Please send money to this account urgently. The same trick, different costume. And here in Nigeria, we see phishing dressed up as one of the following: fake job offers, fake NYSC portals, fake giveaway promos, anything that gets you excited or scared enough to act fast. The real weapon. Not the technology, it's your emotion. So, how do you spot the hook before you bite? Look for these 5 things. Number 1, urgency. Act now or you lose access. Number 2, strange sender address. It looks close but not quite right. Number 3, request for sensitive information. Real banks and companies never ask for your PIN or OTP. Number 4, bad grammar or formatting. Many phishing messages are poorly written. Number 5, a link that doesn't match. Hover over it or long press it and check where it really goes. If a message ticks even 2 of these boxes, pause. That pause is your best defense. Here is your simple action plan. My friend Alex will explain that for us.
What should you do if you get a suspicious message? First, don't click. Go directly to the official app and always verify through another channel. Pause, verify, and protect yourself. What should you do? 3, report and delete. Most providers let you report phishing directly. What should you do? 4, never share your OTP. Bank staff will never ask for it. Pause, verify, and protect yourself.
Now that you have heard from Alex, note, phishing works because it's built on trust and urgency, not technical skill. Now that you know the pattern, you are already harder to catch than 90% of the people out there. If this helped you, share it with someone who still clicks first and thinks later. It might just save them. Subscribe, if you have not done so. And please drop a comment. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.